In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter purchase entry in Zoho Books. A purchase entry in Zoho Books is recorded as a bill from a vendor. This keeps your expenses accurate, shows what you owe, and sets a clear due date for payment. We'll walk through creating a bill from start to finish, and I'll point out the fields that matter most so your accounts stay clean. Start by going to books.zoho.com in your browser. If you're prompted, sign in and make sure you're in the correct organization. It helps to confirm you're on the right financial year and that your role has permission to create bills. Once the dashboard loads, we're ready to move to the purchases area. Open the purchases section in the left sidebar. This is where Zoho Books groups your vendor-related records like vendors, purchase orders, expenses, and bills. Since we want a payable that tracks what's due to a vendor, we'll work inside bills. Click bills to see your list of existing vendor bills. Bills differ from simple expenses because they post to accounts payable and carry a due date, which is essential for cash flow planning and aging reports. From here, we'll create a new one. Click New to open a fresh bill form. You might see options to import or convert from a purchase order, but today we'll enter the details manually so you can see each field and what it affects. Now enter your bill details, choose the vendor first. This pulls in default terms, currency, and tax settings if they're set up. Add the vendor's bill number and make sure it's unique to prevent duplicate entries. Set the bill date and review the due date or payment terms that populate automatically. If you work with multiple currencies, confirm the currency and exchange rate are correct. In the line items, you can add products or services with quantity, rate, and the appropriate tax. If you classify expenses by account instead, pick the right expense account and include a clear description. Double check whether your prices are tax inclusive or tax exclusive so totals calculate correctly. Use notes or a reference field for internal context like a purchase reference. If you track projects, reporting tags, or locations, assign them now for accurate reporting. Add shipping, adjustments, or discounts if applicable, and attach a copy of the vendor's bill so everything is documented in one place. Finally, review the subtotal, tax, and total to ensure they match the vendor document. When everything looks good, click Save as Open. An open bill is now part of your payables and ready for payment when it's due. You can come back later to edit details or add a payment, and the bill will appear in your aging and cash flow views. That's it. You've created a clean, auditable purchase entry in Zoho Books.